In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Visual Studio Code layout. When you first open Visual Studio Code, it comes with a default layout. Your file explorer is usually on the left, your editor is in the center, and things like the terminal or problems panel sit at the bottom. But depending on your screen size, your workflow, or even whether you're coding, debugging, or writing documentation, you might want to rearrange this layout to better suit your needs. The easiest way to do that is by using the layout icon in the top right corner of the window. Look toward the upper right area of the editor, where you usually see icons for things like splitting the editor or opening a new view. There you'll find an icon that lets you change the layout. It may look like a small grid or panel arrangement. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you click it, Visual Studio Code will display layout options that let you quickly rearrange how your views are organized. You can switch between different editor layouts, like placing files side by side vertically, stacking them horizontally, or using a grid. This is especially useful if you're comparing two files, editing code and tests at the same time, or keeping documentation open next to your code. After changing the layout, take a moment to adjust your panels so everything feels comfortable. For example, if you're on a widescreen monitor, having editors side by side often works better than stacking them. You can also hover near the borders between panels and drag to resize them, giving more space to the files or views you use most often. If something feels cramped or cluttered, don't hesitate to tweak it. Remember that these layout changes are not permanent in the sense that you're stuck with them. You can always click the layout icon again to choose a different arrangement, or close and reopen panels as needed. Over time, you'll get a feel for which layout makes you the most productive for different tasks, whether that's coding, debugging, or reviewing logs. So, to recap in simple terms, open Visual Studio Code, look to the upper right corner, click the Change Layout icon, and choose the arrangement that works best for you.